I finally got it, mga bakla! Excuse my hair, kagigising ko lang. And, wait lang, ayusin natin yung hair ko. By the way, meron akong nakuhang dalawang cup. Ito, ang cute nito, nakuha ko siya sa Noon. Tingnan nyo ha. O, ganyan siya. Oh, wait lang. Ang cute niya, tingnan mo. Ayan, nakuha ko to for only less than 50 dirham and dalawang piraso siya. Isang ganito ang color at saka isang brown. But by the way, this video is all about... Girl, nakuha ko na siya! And I'm talking about my new camera, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P. And kinuha ko yung creator combo. I mean, yung vlog combo nila. Medyo may pagsisisi nga ako kasi bakit ko pa kinuha to, kasi meron naman na akong mic. Ang dagdag lang naman nito is yung kanyang mini tripod, yung frame top, yung magnetic clip, mga ganun, mga handle. Meron na akong mic, be. Parang I paid extra just for that. But anyways, nakuha ko to sa Cam City. Ilalagay ko na lang dito yung pangalan ng kanilang shop. It's located in Dubai area, or I mean, basta malapit siya sa Sharaf DG metro station. Like, 5 minuto lang yung lakad, mare. Nakita ko. And I got it for 4,000 dirhams, mare. Medyo pricey siya, pero at least less compared sa kanyang competitor, which is the 360 Luna Ultra. And here it is. In-unbox ko na to kahapon, kaya syempre, walang unboxing video ba, Mari? Kasi na-excite ako eh. But anyways, here's the camera. Ayan. Makakapag-vlog na ako, be. Finally, may vlogging era. Ayan. O, pakaganda talaga nyo. Like, look at the... So, this is the camera. Ayan. Kung titignan niyo, super, and kitang-kita yung mga pores ko. Sinubukan ko na to kagabi, and I will be uploading some videos para makita niyo kung gaano ba kaganda yung quality niya. But for now, ayan. Tignan niyo naman yung quality dun, mare. Grabe, as in, kitang-kita talaga yung pores. It comes with this remote control. And gustong-gusto ko tong feature na to, Maria, instead of connecting into my phone. And grabe, gabi na nung nakuha ko tong unit, kaya yung mga video na first na nakuhanan ko is dark. Pero ang pakalinaw pa rin niya, be. Kaya ngayon naman, susubukan ko ngayong araw para makita ang capability naman niya during daytime para kabog! But, okay. Susubukan ko na lang maglagay ng clip dito sa end ng video para makita nyo yung quality niya. Uwi na kami ng kapatid ko dahil meron pa kaming dinner with mother. Now, I'm using the low light mode for the camera, and let's see if it's better than the normal. Let's go. So, this is the low light of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4P, and we are now shooting with 4K 30 FPS. I'm still with my sister. Say hi, sis. We are currently in Al Saif here in Dubai, or this is what they called the Old Dubai. So far, what I'm seeing on the screen, it's very clear, but I need to check it out later when I have my laptop. So by the way, there are many shops here. This is called Hot Chips. Now we are going to look for a ride. I mean, there is a boat ride here, which will cost you only around 1 dirham. But the ride is not even 1 minute. Right, it's not even 1 minute, girl. Perfect. Perfect.